My brain is rattling so hard right now. I feel like I have a concussion just from driving.
It's a bumpy one, that's for sure.
Yeah, we didn't quite get all the way to the trailhead, but hey, we're not risking getting stuck on a back road where we have no ability to get out. So it is what it is. We're gonna make the best of it.
To the springs, baby. So after about a 6-mile dirt road path here, not very good for the RV, we finally made it to the Hot Spring Bowen Ranch. It's actually a private trail. It's not marked by any of the national parks or anything like that. You had to pay $5 a person to get in here, but the footage we're about to get, you'll see why it's worth it. Not exactly what I was expecting, more of a desert environment, but definitely excited to get in the water. We made it down here to the hot springs. It's not that hot, but we're gonna swim.
It's unreal. Amazing out here.
I take back what I said earlier. We made it to the actual hot springs, and needless to say, it is warm. You can see the steam rising off of the water behind me. It is 5:48. We have to be back before the sun goes down, or else they're gonna close the gate on us. And we're gonna be stuck here with no water. This was definitely worth coming to, but the hike to get back is 3.5 miles. It doesn't look like a big hill, but it is nothing but incline. We're gonna be tired.
Definitely one of those experiences that you want to do over and over again. Everything from squeezing 5 guys in an RV, cooking in it, long hikes, getting lost, not forgetting the peanut butter and jelly for lunch. It's all stuff that you just take with a grain of salt and you accept that's part of kind of winging it and part of adventure and part of travel, and that's why we love to do it.
We are about an hour or 2 hike from the car, and we are about 5.5 hours to my West Coast birthday. So, big 22, sick trip to lead up to it. I couldn't have been any better. So, thanks, guys. We made it back to the RV just in time. The guy was literally locking up the gate as we were pulling out. He was super cool about it though. We're now stopped on this 6-mile dirt road once again, cooking up some dinner and getting ready to find our next sleeping point, I guess.
It's 6:50 a.m. out here in beautiful California. We're about an hour and a half outside of Los Angeles. It's my birthday today, and it's the last day of the road trip, unfortunately, but we're waking up for one last sunrise over top of this sweet lake. But it's been a great road trip. I'm gonna get this last day underway and see what it brings.
Are you recording? So this is where we drop off the RV.
Bye for now.
Yep.
Birthday boy!
Happy birthday, buddy. Good trip.
It's been a great trip, great trip, great trip.